Howdy, folks. Today we have something rather interesting and fun. This is a Tigerism product, which I just pulled out of the box. So, first time. Cool. Purdy. Interesting. What do we got here? Roar in rhythm, but no name. Did I miss something? Well, there's a cat and a rabbit. Maybe they should put the name on it. It might help. All right, but I do know what this is. This is the Tigerism Rabbit IEM. Oh, interesting. So this is a... I'm not actually sure of the specs of this, but probably silver-coated copper with a USB-C DAC in the tip. And that's actually a rather nice USB-C cable. I don't typically use them, but this is very nice. Chin slider is not super heavy. I would say that's probably aluminum versus steel, maybe. Well, either way, it's not super thick, so that's cool. Not too heavy. Nice little chin slider. But extremely tight ear hooks, so I don't know about that. Have to do something. But anyway, very nice, interesting USB-C cable. And we have so this is the same cable that's on the Tigerism Zebra, which I have to do a review for, which I've been putting off because I sneezed for like 4 weeks straight. So I think Hawaii Bad Boy said this is a copy of another, like Effect Audio maybe, something Venom, I forget. Quite thick. Very sturdy, very, very nice cable if you're into that sort of thing. I am not, but very, very nice. It's just a little too thick and big for me, but it's got the speckles in there, nice speckles. All right, so here's the star of the show, the Tigerism Rabbits. Nice little pouch, by the way. Like it a lot. It's got a little thickness, maybe almost like neoprene, maybe. But definitely nice padding. So what do we got here? Well, geez, these look like they could possibly be somewhat dark magician-y, so to speak. But again, Tigerism Rabbit. Now, because of the fact that I happen to know that these might be similar to some type of Dark Magician, now they did have a Dark Magician 1 and a Dark Magician 2. Sorry, let me get this over here. They had a Dark Magician 1 and a Dark Magician 2, you see. And the 2 really lost all the magic of the 1. I don't think it was super popular. But, so we have the Tigerism Rabbit. By the way, thank you, Gao. Carousel, that's Eason Music 7 on Carousel, for sending me these to test out and rate. And I just happen to have, what do you know, a Dark Magician. So this is my first time looking at this. Let's just check it out. Sorry. Vents in a different place. However, and also the little cover shell is different, and sort of the way it's attached. So basically these look extremely similar to the Dark Magician shells. Some aesthetic changes, but I mean, I don't hate them at all. They're pretty cool. Quite understated, which honestly, I'm the kind of guy that likes understated IEMs versus big flashy ones, but I never mind a nice clear IEM. Just pop this in my ear for a second. Let's see. Oh yeah, no problems at all. Real comfy. Yeah. Same as the original Dark Magician. Alrighty, so very, very nice. Oh, we got some tips. We got the silicone, like medium bores looks like, and silicone purple. Purple. Well, that's an interesting choice. With probably about the same size bore tube, give or take. Okay, very cool. This is interesting. I did ask about the USB-C cable here, and I asked if there's like an app that you could, do EQ with or whatever, and the answer was no. So, okay. So this is just a straight up USB-C. I'm assuming it's a DAC. But like, I don't really have any information. There's clearly nothing in the box, so I'm gonna have to test all this stuff. But okay, super cool. And I will talk to you on the next one.